Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Jan. If you're new here, thank y'all for being here. Today, we're making something super quick and super delicious chili cheese tots. I had to go look to make sure I had made this before, but I haven't. Uh, Now, you're welcome to make your own homemade chili if you want to. Normally, I probably would, but I'm just hungry, so we're going to use canned chili. It's cold. Well, it's cool. It's rainy, but it's going to get cold. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty cold, and then hopefully that will be our last cold day for the year, and we can get on with spring. So, first thing I'm going to do is put these tater tots in the oven. You'll want at least an 8 by 11 baked dish, if not 9 by 13. Um, Now, like these tots, because these are mini tots, they usually take about 15 minutes to bake. But I'm going to bake these for at least 20 minutes, maybe 25. Okay, yeah. Just to make sure the entire bottom got coated with no gaps, I turned them all the same way. So again, these are going in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the dish one time and leave them for probably 5, maybe 25 minutes total, but we'll see. I just want them crunchy. While our tater tots are baking, dice up some green onion to go on top. So I cut that pound of cheese not quite in half. A little more than a third, though. Now, this is sharp cheddar. Oftentimes, I use mild cheddar on chili cheese tots, but this is what I have, so. And I think this will be enough. Should be. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That'll be enough. All right. I'm going to stick this back in the fridge for now. I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for just like a minute. You know, oftentimes these cans have like big clumps in them. That's just what I'm trying to avoid, like that right there, big clump. I just want this really smooth, so I don't have to leave it in the oven too long. Okay. We're going to add a little chili powder. Just a little. And a tiny hint of cayenne. Ooh, whoa. Yeah, that was more than I really intended to do. So I hope I can eat it. Okay. I guess I could have just scraped that off the top. It'll be all right. All right. Okay. Again, I'm going to put it in the microwave for exactly 1 minute. I can probably hear them sizzling. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to them. That's the only seasoning I'm adding anywhere. All right. Like I told y'all, I'll microwave this for 1 minute. I'll be really careful about not touching this dish because it's very hot. That's the perfect amount of chili too, I think. What was in that can? Don't want, overwhelming chili. I want the tater tots to be the star as they're supposed to. At least for me, that's what I prefer. But if you like a lot of chili, you can add a whole lot of chili to yours. Okay. Now I've turned the oven down to 375. It was at 425. Okay. Back in the oven for 15-20 minutes. All we want is our cheese, nice and bubbly. Sure does smell good. Gonna let it sit here and cool down just a second. No, that's enough. All right, let's add some. Add a little sour cream. Oh, y'all can't see that. Okay. Way. And yeah, if I can not burn myself. Let's see. There we go. Now, sour cream, some green onions. Now then. Hope it looks as good to y'all as it does to me. Okay. My mouth's literally watering. Tater tot. Chili. Oops. Falling out there. Oh, wow. That's delicious. Y'all, if you want something hot and filling and you're just not in the mood for cooking, throw this together. 3 ingredients. Can of whatever kind of chili you prefer, or, you know, just say you've made up a bunch of chili and, you know, not entirely sure what to do with it other than just eating it plain. Grab you some tater tots, some cheddar cheese, throw it together in the oven. Mmm. It's better than I even thought it would be. And the sour cream and green onions on top just make it perfect. That's so good. Chili cheese tots, y'all. I'm gonna go stuff my face. Thank y'all so much for being here, and I'll see you soon.